Well, from rocks falling to floodwaters rising, our team coverage continues in Santa Rosa, and that's where we find Crop 4's Teresa Estacio, who is near the Sonoma County Fairgrounds with a big umbrella that's fortunately not broken today.
A borrowed umbrella. I got smart finally. So we want to show you and set the scene for what we are looking at. We're here at Bennett Valley Road and Brookwood Avenue. And you can see for yourself just how treacherous it is for a lot of drivers out here. You can see the signs out there saying that it's flooded, and the vehicles just keep going into the several feet of water down by the fairgrounds. Look at that, a car turning around. That makes my heart happy at this moment. The Santa Rosa Fire Marshal has been putting out public safety information, advising everyone, please don't risk it. Turn around. It's so much safer for everyone. Now, fortunately, where we're at with the Sonoma Fairgrounds, there's not businesses or homes close by, so that wake that's created when the vehicles go into the flooding, that's not causing any problems. There is areas where that flood water can go safely, but again, you're putting yourself at risk as well as your vehicle if so much water goes into your vehicle and stalls out. I've been talking to fire officials about what they're seeing out and about. They had about 7.5 inches of rainfall here in Sonoma County, in Santa Rosa in particular, over a very short time period. And again, right now we're just bracing for that other storm that is going to be coming, as Kyla was mentioning. So a live picture for you right now so you can take a look at what it's like here in Santa Rosa with some very flooded intersections. Stephanie, back to you.
All right, Teresa, thank you so much for that live perspective. We appreciate it.